Hello children, I welcome you all to our English class. Today we are going to see part 2 in lesson number 3. That is look before you leap. That is the lesson name. Come, let's start today's session. Yes, first we are going to see the companion activity number 3A. Third lesson, first activity in companion book. Okay, page number 25. Look before you leap. That is the title of this activity. Look before you leap means what? Yes, look before you leap means think before you act. Okay, they have given two situations. We are going to think about the situation and we are going to think about the plus, minus and interesting points of each situation. Then we are going to take the decision. We are going to take the good decision. Okay. First situation is getting a pet. Number 2 is getting a new toy. So, with these two situations, what are all the plus? Plus means the good things. Okay. The good things in getting a pet or getting a new toy. Number 2 is minus. Minus means difficulties or the problems we will face if you are buying a new toy or if you get a new pet. That is minus. Number 3 is interesting things about the situation. If you get a pet, what are all the useful or interesting things going to happen? And what if you get a new toy, what are all the new things, interesting things gonna happen? That is what we are going to think and write in the given boxes. They have given already one example in each box of the tabular column. You are going to write 2 examples. Okay, so first one is the plus. I have someone to play with. So if you have a pet, what will happen? You may play with that. That is the first example. Second example is minus. What is the minus in that? Yes, you may not be able to travel with it. If you have a pet means you will be unable to travel with the pet animal. Am I right? Yes. What is the interesting thing about that? You can train your pet to bring the newspaper. Yes children, I hope you all understood about the example given for first situation. I am going to give you example for second situation. I can play with it. What is the second situation? A new toy. So if you get a new toy, what will happen? You can play with that. You may not spend time for home fun. Not only for home fun, you may not spend time for reading, writing or any academic activities that is useful. You will be playing with the new toy for the whole day. The interesting thing is I may learn new things. For example, if you are buying building blocks or remote plane or car, whatever it may be, if you are buying a toy which is useful, carom or chess, whatever it may be, think about it. It will be useful for you, so you will learn new things. Yes, I hope you understood children. Come to the next page. Did this exercise help you think before you made a decision? Did this exercise help you think before you made a decision? If it is helpful, tick yes. If it is not helpful, tick no. That's your wish. Okay. The tool used in this exercise is called PMI tool. PMI means plus, minus and interesting. So before you take any decision, think about the good thing which will come to you because of your decision, and the minus means the bad things or trouble or problem. Interesting things means useful things gonna happen. All the 3 things you have to think in your mind, then only you should take a decision. So it helps you think about the different options before you make a decision. Okay, children, I hope you all understood about this activity. You must do this activity with your family members or parents. Okay? Yes. Now start the next activity. What's our next activity? It is Pep Activity. The title of this Pep Activity is Grammar, Ongoing Action. We are going to start ongoing actions topic. Whenever we start a new topic, we'll be having the Pep Activity that you know already. So first read the instruction. Recall words that we use. Recall words that we use to talk about actions that we do. This is the title of this activity. For example, look at the picture. What does the boy do? The boy is playing. What game is that? The game is tennis. So, which is the action word here? Yes, very good. Place is the action word. Look at the second picture. Amita. Amita walks to school. So, here which is the action word? Walks. Walks is the action word. Very good. She sings beautifully. Which is the action word in the third sentence? Sings. Superb, children. So these are all some examples of action words. Before we start the ongoing actions topic, first of all we are trying to identify the action words first. What is meant by action word? Let us see in the next page. Words such as place, walks, sings are action words. Words such as plays, walks and sings are action words. They describe actions that we perform. So words such as plays, walks, sings are action words. They describe actions that we perform. So they are used to describe the actions we perform. That is the action word. Okay, what are all the action? So what are you doing now? Yes, you are sitting. What am I doing? I am teaching. What is your father doing now? What does your mother do now? Observe them. Yes, those are the actions. Maybe sitting, standing, cooking, walking, doing some projects, whatever it may be. All these are actions. The animals in the jungle are celebrating. The animals in the jungle are celebrating. They are free now. They are now free from the lion. Describe the actions these animals do. So these three animals given here are the animals in the jungle. What are they doing now? Look at the first picture. What does the nightingale do? The nightingale sings. Okay. What does the rabbit do? The rabbit jumps or hops. What does the monkey do? Monkey eats banana. These are some examples of action words. Now let's underline the action words. Okay. Nightingale sings. Which is the action word here? Very good. Sings is the action word. Rabbit jumps. Which is the action word here? Jumps. Monkey eats banana. Which is the action word here? Eats. So here three action words we have written. Can you identify which is the action word in these sentences? Yes. Okay. When we say the rabbit plays every day, it is an action that the rabbit does every day. So plays every day. This word plays, Plays, plays every day means daily the rabbit used to play. When we say the rabbit is playing every day means what? Yes, rabbit playing every day is playing means it is playing now. Rabbit is playing means what? It is playing now. The action which is happening now at the moment. Okay. Observe that the action word playing has an ing at the end. Playing. So play plus ing is called playing. Play plus ing equal to playing. So we use ing in the original form of the action word. We use ing with the original form of the action word play. This is used to describe an action that is going on at this moment. Ongoing action means the actions which is going on at the moment. That is the action. Ongoing action. Okay. Now let's do the look around activity. Think of an action. Act it out for your partner now. Let them guess the action that you are doing. For example, reading. Picture of a girl reading. Okay, if a girl is reading means what will we say? She is reading. We will say like that. So here what should we do is I am. What action are you doing now? You are listening. No, you can write listening or reading, whatever action, writing, whatever you are doing, that you should write in the first dash. In the second dash, you should write what action your partner is doing. This is actually a pair activity. Look here. This is actually a pair activity. So you can do this activity by observing your family members or friends who is behind you, who is with you. Observe that person and write in the second dash. My partner is looking. My partner is looking at the clock. My partner is looking at the mobile. Like that you can write in the dash. Okay. Here are more examples. They have given more examples here. Let us read the examples one by one. Then we should complete the empty boxes. We should fill the empty box. Talk plus ing. Talking. Walk plus ing. Walking. Clean plus ing. Cleaning. Sleep plus ing. Sleeping. Okay, now look at the next box. Fill in these boxes. Climb plus ing is what? Yes, very good. Climbing. Wash plus ing. Washing. Very good, children. So this is so easy now. Am I right? So if you write an action word with ing ending, that is ongoing action. The action you do at the moment right now. Okay, let's move to the next page. What is the activity given here? Look deep activity. Write the ing form of the action words given in the brackets. So they have given some action words in the bracket. We are going to write the ing form of those action words in the dash. Okay, look at the first sentence. The lion is dash. What verb action word is given in the box, in the bracket? Eat. So eat plus ing. Eating. Very good. Look at the second sentence. The animals are dash. There is an action word given in the bracket. What word is that? Speak. Speak to the lion. The animals are dash. Speak is given in the bracket to the lion. Speak plus ing. Speaking. Very good. Look at the third sentence now. The lion is, for this sentence you are going to write on your own. Try. The lion is dash. Roar. R-O-A-R means what? Roar. Roar means extreme anger. In an extreme anger, if a lion is making a sound, that is called a roaring. So roar. Roar is the action word. Lion is dash. Roar is given in the bracket loudly. Roar plus ing is what? Excellent. Roaring. Superb, children. I hope you all completed this. Let's move to the next one. Observe that is used before some action words ending in ing. Where is in these three sentences? Yes, in sentence number 1 and sentence number 3 is given. Similarly, am and are also used before action words ending in ing. For example, I am working. I am practicing dance. Children, whenever I read, kindly repeat in mind or you can repeat aloud. My friends are playing. My parents are watching television. Here, which are the action words? Very good. Working, practicing, playing, and watching. These are all the action words. I hope you are identified already. Am I right? Very good. Using action words ending in ing in sentences. How should we write the action words in the sentence? That is what we are going to see it now. Amit is working. Amit plus is plus working. Read together. Amit is working. So Amit is working is the sentence. Look at the next sentence. I plus am plus going plus home. How can we read this sentence? I am going home. Which is the action word? Going. Here working. These two are the action words. Let's go to the next page. Anil plus and plus Sumit plus are plus fighting. Anit and Sumit are fighting. Which is the action word here? Fighting is the action word. Very good. Varsha and Renu are speaking. Which is the action word? Speaking is the action word. Yes, children. Let us read the next sentence. Observe that we use is when we talk about naming words that are singular. So here we are coming to a conclusion that if you are talking about a singular naming word, you should use is. If you are talking about a plural naming word, you should use are. Now come back to the sentences. Amit. Amit is only one boy. So we are using is here. I. I means only one I. Okay. So we are using am here. Am is also singular, children. Am is. Both the words we will use as singular verbs. Anil and Sumit. How many person are here? 1, 2. 2 person are here. So we are using are. Is it right? Yes. Varsha and Renu are speaking. How many person are here? Varsha is 1 person and Renu is 1 person. So 2 person are there. We are using are. Is it right? Yes. I hope you all understood, children. Let's